So
12.
in case, okay, in case if we change it also, it will automatically change. So it need not to change into text format and we need not to do anything. Just need to select this. It will take it as
Both the
true.
format should be same, then only it will match.
So I have process 1, process 2, process 3. So I have a different sheet like process 1, process 2 and all. So I just want to count the number of job or number of MPAN that been processed on process 1 from the date of 2nd October. Like it is 5 means I should get in the summary sheet as process 1 on 2nd October. So what should be the formula on based on this date I need? Likewise every day.
You have to use sum ifs or count ifs. What is it? Some numeric element or only counting is required? Go to process 1.
Okay, only counting only. So for example, on 2nd October, few user have been processed around 5 jobs in a day, and the next day like this.
So then count ifs you will have to use. So write the formula in column B2 equal count ifs.
So range should be this one.
Yes, for the date, this is the range. Comma criteria. Select the cell in that summary sheet.
This one.
Yeah. Okay. Then comma. No.
Comma.
Okay, this is fine. Yeah, that's it. I was thinking you will write a single formula. That's also no. So just check this number. It should work. 5421.
So
12.
in case, in case if we change it also, it will automatically change. So it need not to change into text format and we need not to do anything. Just need to select this. It will take it as
Both the
true.
format should be same, then only it will match. It is not that on one side you are keeping it as a date, on the other side you are keeping as a text. It should match both sides.
Okay. If it is in date format, then here also it should be in date format, same format like DDMMYY or any format is fine.
DDMMYY is just the display. It just requires a date. Display is not important.
Okay.
You know the difference between display and the content, right?
Yes.
If you click on comma, it should turn into a number. It is looking for that number, not the display.
Okay, fine.